Oh, yeah. Hi everyone. Uh, we, Today we have a very special guest, CA Nishta Botra, rank 2, as we all know. Hi Nishta, how are you?
Hi, I'm good, Kaushik. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good too. So, how is the feeling? I think 30 days after results.
Yeah, it's still as fresh as it was yesterday. I mean, the feeling is very good. Right now, I'm a bit confused about jobs and everything, but glad that the CA student part is over now.
Yes, the student journey of 5 years came to an end this July,
Yeah.
right? So, Nishta, most people know you as AI too, right? But can you tell me something about yourself that has nothing to do with studies?
So I've always been academically very smart. I mean, a meritorious student in school only. But apart from that, I was very lucky because my school had a lot of extracurricular activities also, which they wanted, which they encourage the students to join. So I am a gold medalist in yoga, gymnastics, in other sports also, shot put and everything. I played cricket also once. We had an EY Premier League, so I'm a bit inclined towards sports. Apart from that, I've also done a 3 or 5 year course of Bharatnatyam. Again, because my school had provided that, and inclined towards dancing as well.
Oh, that's something great. I think you are one of those Guinea anchors that does both studies, sports, and other co-curricular, right?
Mhm.
That's
Yeah.
that's great. So, Nishta, can you tell me like you belong to Guwahati? I think it's also a great state, great city in Northeast. I have visited many times. So, what growing up, how it shaped your journey, the city, the culture? Because I think the initial 10-15 years that we grew up around our families, schools, and that's I think the main foundation of today.
Hmm. Yeah, I think growing up, I was very lucky to be in a family who really encouraged me to do anything which I want. They never pressurized me to study or to do something, which they wanted me to do. So I was very lucky. Guwahati as a city, it's beautiful. The people are very good. I found a lot of friends there. The schools also are very the teachers, they focus on you, like they focus on each and every student. And I think people don't know this about me, but till class 10 I was a very underconfident person, as in I was good in studies, but I never used to answer in class, or I hesitated a bit. Then after class 10th, I kind of realized that this is not how life would work, and I'll have to step out of my comfort zone. And then at that time only I shifted my school. So I went to a new school, and then I realized, what I have to, this is a clean slate. So I have to start being very confident and answer in the class. And if there's something I need to speak up. And I think those teachers there also in the new school were very, focused also, and they wanted the students to do very good. So they also showed a lot of confidence in me, and that is how I started speaking up, participating in a lot of public speaking platforms as well, or in general participating in any event which was happening in school. So I think the teachers had really shaped me. I was always good in studies, but studies is not everything. You have to be smart also, like street smart, and you have to speak up when the opportunity presents. So I think this is what my teachers helped me to, I mean, they encouraged me, you should speak up.
So क्या हम बोल सकते हैं like marks से confidence नहीं आता, it's about experience.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely.
So, Nishta, I remember in CA Inter also you scored rank 2, right? And then I reach out to you as well to congratulate. So, how do you see yourself as a person? Like the Nishta Bothra, when she started her journey right from Guwahati, then you came to Calcutta, and then you moved to HUL in Bombay, to now
Yeah.
Nishta Bothra as a chartered accountant. So, what differences we can notice in that personality?
I think when I was in Guwahati, I was very naive, I would say. But then I shifted to Kolkata, and I started my articleship in SR Bhatti Boy. And I think that was a shift from the theoretical part to the practical world, where you learn a lot of things, not just not just work wise but also professionally, how to behave, how the corporate works, how to prioritize things when you have CA finals as well, when you have to study also but you have a very bad day in a big four, in any office.
Right.
So you need to prioritize things and you need to understand, okay, this is just a part of your life. The day gets over at 8, 9, 10, whenever, and then you have to come back to yourself and then do whatever you think is right for you. So I think as a person also it helped me develop a lot. And then I shifted to Mumbai after having a very enriching experience in EY, and I started my industry training in HUL, where the people were very supportive, I'd say. And also one good thing was that in EY everyone was a chartered accountant, but in HUL chartered accountants are less, and I was lucky I had a tutor who was an MBA, so I used to understand, okay, this is how they think, this is how they analyze something. Or
Right.
if there is a problem and you're not able to, for example, get some data from any department of the company, so there are other ways also, if you can take the other route, if you can back calculate something, how to identify certain savings. I think how to think was something which I understood in HUL, and the journey has been very good.
Right. So I believe confidence definitely it have been increased manifold. And one thing that you told a very important point, right? In big fours or in CA firms, we see a lot of chartered accountants around our circle. And when we shift to industry or say startups, we get to learn from a lot of people. Like there are various teams, whether it's the HR tech team or the finance team. As you said, the MBA, you had a mentor who was an MBA, right?
Yeah.
So I think this really helps in getting an overview, like what's running in the outside world.
Yeah, yeah. So my tutor was looking after the HFD business of HUL.
Mhm.
So I understood, okay, how the business is working. How is he thinking? Like, how is the leadership thinking? What do they want? Like, we were given certain works. Okay, you have to do this. You have to identify opportunities, or there are some market data which we have to analyze. But what is the use of that data? What is the use of that analysis? What the leadership wants? I think this is something which I understood from him.
राइट सो निष्ठा आई नो लॉट ऑफ टाइम जब हम लोग भी सीए कर रहे थे एंड जब आप लोग भी कर रहे हैं तो सीए टाइम जर्नी जो 3 साल का होता है राइट फ्रॉम आर्टिकलशिप डे 1 टू द लास्ट डे ऑफ द आर्टिकलशिप और द इंडस्ट्रियल देर इज अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स आई सी कभी अच्छा दिन जाता है तो मोटिवेशन लगता है राइट कभी इफ द डे इज नॉट सो गुड देन वी हैव अ डीमोटिवेशन सो इज इट अ नॉर्मल फिनोमिना राइट फॉर यू एज वेल और
Yeah,
नॉट
yeah. It's absolutely normal. I mean, personally for me, I had the All India rank 2 in Inter as well. So whenever I did not get time to study, or if I'm studying and I was not able to recall what was done in the previous class, or I was not able to recall a concept, I think it took a lot of hit on my confidence. And also I started doubting myself that, okay, this has happened once, but I don't think this is going to happen again, because final is really difficult. And to manage it along with office and articleship is something which is very difficult, which
राइट
people have to go through that experience. So I remember I used to cry and doubt myself. I used to call people up that what to do. Should I continue in a big four, or what? As in, should I switch somewhere else or switch to some other department, because I was in statutory audit. But then people told me, you know what? Everyone does this. There's no, you're not an exception. सबके साथ ही ये हो रहा है. So you have to understand and you have to prioritize everything. कि okay, whatever, कैसा भी दिन जाए, you have to come back to your studies. You have to sit for 3 hours, 4 hours for that one class.
राइट
And I think starting के 1 2 months में, when you're adjusting and you're learning everything, तब थोड़ा सा मुझे तब I think I did not start studying. But उसके बाद I was like कि okay, this is how everything is gonna be, and I'm going to come back and study, and I have to sit with my laptop and my books.
राइट
So
सो
along the journey, you understand all of this. Yeah.
राइट सो आई बिलीव डिसिप्लिन एक ऐसा चीज है एंड डेफिनेटली द मैनेजमेंट ऑफ स्ट्रेस आई बिलीव राइट सो
Yeah.
डिसिप्लिन में इन पर्टिकुलर कैन यू पॉइंट आउट 2 3 थिंग्स दैट सोशल मीडिया तो मैंने आई वाज स्टॉकिंग योर इंस्टाग्राम प्रोफाइल लास्ट नाइट सो आई सॉ यू आर नॉट मच एक्टिव ड्यूरिंग योर सीए प्रिपरेशन टाइम so this
Yeah,
must be
yeah.
one of the main thing and what others helped you to get there like maintaining consistency.
Yeah. So, as you said, social media. So I have always been active on social media, but I think 2024 में I somehow somewhat realized कि this is not some मतलब this is not adding to my productivity, and I had an extremely hectic schedule in Mumbai because it involved a lot of traveling and then doing classes. And one more thing was that I was getting only 4 months of leave, and I had left EY जहाँ पे मुझे 6 months of leave मिलता.
Right.
So I kind of that in my mind also कि I have to cope up with that during weekends or during the normal days जहाँ मेरे पास इतना EY जितना stress नहीं है. So I removed social media. I was like इसको हटा ही देते अभी. There's nothing which it is adding nothing to my in my life. Apart from that, I think I always remembered my goal that I have to clear. And again, because I had the all India rank 2, I knew what is to be done to achieve that again. So मुझे पता था कि ओके क्लास तो करना पड़ेगा, कंसेप्ट समझना पड़ेगा, फोकस के साथ क्लास करना पड़ेगा, नॉट डूइंग क्लास फॉर द सेक ऑफ इट. बैठ के अच्छे से समझना वैसे करना पड़ेगा. सो आई थिंक दिस helped me helped me to study consistently because I knew what my target was, and I always used to relate with the intern Nishtha ki okay, she used to do this, she used to do that, ऐसा करती थी वो क्लास में ऐसा. So one thing which people hear of when they start the CA journey is that okay, 11-12 हो गया, now CA foundation is different, and once you clear CA foundation, CA inter is like 2x or 3x difficult. Then once you clear CA inter, then they're like okay, final is altogether different. So one thing I realized that the methods are the same. It's just that a lot of things get added to your life where you have to understand and where you have to identify okay, at this point in my life, this is my priority, this is where I have to focus. So I think that understanding, I was able to understand that, and I was able to focus on that only. I did not have a lot of distractions. I used to go out and everything also. I was not a proper nerd and everything. I used to participate in a lot of events,
Right.
but I knew what is the right time for everything.
Right, right. So, Nishta, one more important question that every CA finalist or even CA inter have is that at what speed you watch your classes, whether it was
So
2x.
नहीं, so again this is very subjective because मेरे लिए जो speed work करे might not work for other people. But what I used to do that for practical subjects like FR or AFM, जब कोई भी टीचर कॉन्सेप्ट समझा रहे होते हैं तो यूजुअली मैं 1x या 1.25x में देखती थी डिपेंडिंग ऑन द टीचर. एंड देन जब वो क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कराना स्टार्ट करते सो दे यूज्ड टू टेल अस ओके वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन, एंड आई यूज्ड टू पॉज दैट क्लास एंड आई यूज्ड टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन माई सेल्फ बिकॉज सर ने कॉन्सेप्ट तो समझा दिए. तो तब मैं खुद से सॉल्व करती थी, एंड जब वापस मैं प्ले करती थी तब मे बी मैं थोड़ा स्पीड वॉच कर लेती थी बिकॉज आई हैड ऑलरेडी सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन माई सेल्फ. तो ये मिक्स मैच चलता था. Audit, I think 1.25x, 1.5x में चलता है because I had a statutory audit profile, so I could relate to a lot of things and I knew all the jargons and everything. And IDT also, I think मतलब 1.25x में मैं कर लेती थी क्लास, ऐसे मेरे को इतना difficult.
2x is, I think, a risky thing, but yes, up to
Yeah,
1.25, 1.5 is good.
yeah. That again, what I said, like I did not want to do class just
For the sake
just
of
for
it.
the sake of doing it. Yeah.
Right. So I think that mistake I made in my CA inter, I was watching at 2x of 2-3 theory subjects. Actually, I was good at theory, so I have to focus more on practicals. So I think it
Okay.
believes on it stays down to your strength and weakness at the end, right?
Yeah.
So Nishta, can you tell me that do you have any belief that you think you strongly hold, but most people disagree with in general life?
Believe related to studies.
Anything you can
I think
include?
I talk about studies only. I think I focus on completing the 100% syllabus. I know a lot of people who go with selective studying. So I think this one thing is what always worked out in my favor was because I was covering all the portions. I knew okay wherever the questions are coming from. Second, I think I focused a lot on audit because I knew that the only subject which would make difference would be audit because FR AFM सबका ही अच्छा जाता है. DT IDT अगर खराब पेपर आया तो सबके लिए ही खराब होगा because मतलब क्या ही आप कर लोगे अगर आपको प्रोविजन याद नहीं है. सो आई थिंक ऑडिट वाज समथिंग व्हिच आई न्यू अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल वर नेग्लेक्टिंग एंड दिस इज द सब्जेक्ट वेयर आई कैन वर्क ऑन एंड इसमें मैं मार्क्स और पिक कर सकती हूँ.
Right.
So this is one thing. I think third thing would be I focused a lot on my mental health. मैं बहुत meditate करती थी. The pressure was, I mean, I cannot even tell you about the pressure because it was so much thinking about the All India rank to CA enter and then
Right.
studying for CA final. But meditation helped me a lot. A lot of people don't agree with me when I tell them कि मैं रात को सो नहीं पाती थी. As in me and a lot of other rankers also we have discussed that हम जब सोने जाते थे 2-3 hours हमें नींद ही नहीं आता था because लॉट ऑफ ओवर थिंकिंग, एंड
right,
ऐसा नहीं था कि हम पढ़ रहे हैं, बट बहुत ओवर थिंकिंग चलता था. एंड आई थिंक टू मैनेज दैट, मेडिटेशन एंड आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग के कुछ कुछ कोर्सेज मैं करती थी कि आई एम एबल टू काम माई सेल्फ.
right. So मेरा next question भी यही था कि see, once you score a rank in CA Inter, so there is certain expectations of people around you, right? That okay, you scored rank 2 in Inter, तो AR 1 लाना है final में, right? And then there is certain personal ambition, right? So how do you manage this difference between an ambition and the expectations?
Right. So, like you said, throughout the 3 years, before the study leaves, like whenever I used to meet people, they're like, okay, two to aa gaya, now you have to go. अब इसके ऊपर ही जाना है. अब इसके ऊपर तो one ही है. There's like it's absolutely impossible to to imagine also कि okay, I'm getting an all India rank one. I mean,
Right,
people have done that, but I am मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि मेरे लिए थोड़ा stressful हो रहा है. But ambition was always to give my 100%. As in, I consider myself very lucky, very grateful that I was able to land up in top three again. But I absolutely believe that there is a luck factor in it. There is no difference in my study preparation or an All India rank 4 or an All India rank 7, or for that matter, any ranker. I was just a bit luckier on that day कि I was able to score
right,
itna marks. I landed up in the top three. बट आई ऑलवेज हैड द फोकस कि मुझे अपना 100% देना है. इतना स्टडी, मतलब इतना पढ़ाई करने को है. आई हैव दीज मेनी आवर्स, एंड जितना मैं कर सकती हूँ मैं उतना करती हूँ. आई वुड रादर फोकस ऑन दी process rather than the results, ताकि results is in factor, is a culmination of a lot of factors. It's not just my preparation, it's also
right,
ऐसा होता है कि अच्छा सुबह देखा हुआ क्वेश्चन आ गया पेपर
right,
में, या फिर हाउ इज द पेपर बीइंग इवैल्यूएटेड, बीइंग चेक्ड. It's very subjective. So I
right,
knew there is one thing which is in my hand, which is studying, which is giving my 100%. मुझे ऐसा चाहिए था कि रिजल्ट्स वाले दिन चाहे मेरे रैंक आए, चाहे टॉप 3, चाहे टॉप 50, या चाहे रैंक नहीं आए, आई शुड नॉट रिग्रेट ऑन दैट डे कि अच्छा यार मैं उस दिन और पढ़ लेती, या मैंने अपना 100% नहीं दिया, इसलिए मेरे आई डिड नॉट गेट द रिजल्ट विच आई वॉन्टेड. सो आई वॉज वेरी ओके विद द फैक्ट कि मेरा रिजल्ट कुछ भी हो, आई वुड हैव बीन हैप्पी ओनली. ऑफ कोर्स थोड़ा सा तो होता अगर रैंक नहीं आता तो,
right,
बट मैंने अपने आप को बहुत ऐसे प्रिपेयर करके रखा था कि कुछ भी हो सकता है. एवरीथिंग विल नॉट ऑलवेज वर्क आउट इन योर फेवर. इट्स लॉट, थोड़ा लक भी है इसमें.
definitely. So
या
लक, ये मेरे को ये भी लगता है कि डेस्टिनी भी है, राइट? जो रैंक 1 है उनका भी इंटर में रैंक 1 था, आपका भी 2 था,
या
तो इट्स 1 and 2 आर द सेम, राइट, इन दिस 3 years.
1, 2 and 4 are also, 4 is
Okay,
also the same.
4 is also the same. So I think that's a
Yeah.
great example of consistency and discipline, 3 years का,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So निष्ठा, एक और भी था, लाइक रिजल्ट से पहले भी व्हेन यू जॉइन द सेशन आई आल्सो एक्सपेक्टेड रैंक 1 आएगा, एंड आई थिंक यू आल्सो हैड एक्सपेक्टेशंस. सबने यही एक्सपेक्ट किया था, तो जब रैंक 2 आया तो आपको कैसा लगा? लाइक थोड़ी खुशी हुई?
बहुत खुशी, मैंने रैंक वन का नहीं सोचा था. आई रिमेम्बर, मैं तो अपने घर पे भी, मैं सब लोग पूछ रहे थे, लाइक माय मॉम, माय सिबलिंग्स, रिलेटिव्स की, अगेन यू आर कमिंग और नॉट, व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, वन आर एन. एंड आई रिमेम्बर, सो आई एम वेरी क्लोज टू माय चाचू, तो मैं जब भी उनसे वीसी करती थी, तो वीडियो कॉल करती थी, तो हमेशा से वन ही दिखाते थे. एंड आई यूज टू टेल हिम प्लीज डोंट एक्सपेक्ट एनीथिंग. इंटर में भी एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था, लेट्स नॉट एक्सपेक्ट एनीथिंग अभी भी. And my papers went well, but like I said, I knew कि it's not just my preparation, थोड़ा बहुत इधर उधर का factors भी है. So let's not expect something, and अगर उससे थोड़ा नीचे आ जाए तो आप sad होके बैठ जाओ. जैसे अगर for example if I would have thought of 1, और if I would have thought of top 3, और मैं नीचे आ जाती, मतलब रैंक आ रही हूँ, आई एम बिकमिंग अ सीए ऑन दैट डे, एंड आई एम गेटिंग अ रैंक, एंड स्टिल आई एम अपसेट, देन देयर इज समथिंग रॉन्ग इन मी, बिकॉज
राइट,
यू कांट गेट एनीथिंग इन योर लाइफ. तो मैंने ऐसे एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था कि 1 आएगा, एंड आई वाज वेरी हैप्पी कि 2 आया. आई रिमेंबर जब मुझे कॉल आया था, आई वाज लाइक मुझे बिलीव ही नहीं हो रहा वापस हो रहा है, आप प्लीज मेरे को एक बार प्रेस रिलीज भेजिए. आई टोल्ड दिस टू द ईस्टर्न रीजन सीसीएम, नो नॉट द प्रेसिडेंट, ईस्टर्न रीजन सीसीएम, आप
आई
प्लीज
थिंक
मेरे को एक
रवि सर
बार.
क्या?
रवि सर, या आई न्यू
यस,
हिम पर्सनली बिकॉज
या
ऑफ
सेम.
इंटर रैंक. तो फिर उन्होंने मेरे को भेजा, एंड देन आई टोल्ड एवरीवन, एंड इट इज, आई कुड नॉट एक्सपेक्टेड कि इट वुड एंड दिस वे. जब इंटर में भी रैंक आया था, मुझे ऐसा लगा था कि चलो एक बार मैंने ये एक्सपीरियंस कर लिया, आई हैव टू बी लाइक वेरी वेरी लकी टू एक्सपीरियंस द टॉप 3 पोजीशन अगेन.
राइट,
बट देन अगेन इट हैपेंड.
but I think it's more of a destiny, right? Inter में I think when you scored rank 2, you are also from Eastern region, and Ravi sir, who is now a Central Council member, that time he was the ICASA chairman. So he told me
या
कि De Kaushik एक गुवाहाटी से आया, because he is also from Shillong. So there is a personal connect as well. So then I
Yeah.
reach out to you. फिर अभी भी जब you secured rank 2, I
Hmm.
messaged him, I called him. So he was also very happy. So how do you
Hmm.
see like your success is not just your or your family. I think it's for the region. Everyone kind of celebrate, right?
Yeah, I mean, I was in Guwahati when my results came, and the amount of love the people of Guwahati had given me. I was there for 1 week only. I had to come to Mumbai and then Hyderabad for MDP. But the amount of love I got and the recognition I got, I mean, I felt so happy, not just for the results, but the fact that I was able to give them that. People were coming to my place and felicitating me. I was being called to certain events, news channels, and my mom could also witness that. I mean, it was all worth it. Like the entire 3 years, 5 years journey was completely worth it. We felt very happy.
Right. So yeah, that's it. Or going forward in the last leg of this, I have a two three personal question kind of questions. So what is a small habit or I think a ritual जो if you follow to keep you grounded? Because मैंने देखा है बहुत लोग सी rank secure कर लेते हैं, but securing a rank or having a good academics is totally different from having a good personality, right? So what keeps you grounded?
I think personally, what I have an habit of praying every day. So मैं रोज रात को pray करती हूँ, and I always, you know, I mean, I used to say, मतलब जब मैं chant कर लेती थी like हनुमान चालीसा, and I'm a Jain, so नमोकार मंत्र का एक माला होता है, and there are a
Right.
few other verses also which I used to chant. उसके बाद जब मैं ऐसे विश मांगती थी तो मैं हमेशा अपने मतलब सबके लिए मांगती थी पहले, और फिर अपने लिए मैं यही बोलती थी कि थैंक यू सो मच, इंटर में आपने मेरे को इतना इंटर में जो इतना अच्छा रिजल्ट हुआ, बस अब फाइनल में भी आई यूज टू से कि अच्छा हो, आई एम सेटिस्फाइड ऑन दैट डे, एंड हुएवर इज डिजर्विंग मोर गेट्स व्हाट ही और शी वांट्स, जो भी ज्यादा डिजर्व करता है। ऑलवेज यूज टू से दैट, आई नेवर यूज टू प्रे कि मुझे वापस 1 दे दो,
Right.
मुझे 2 दे दो, ऐसा मेरा कुछ नहीं था। मेरा था कि जितना मैं मेहनत करी हूँ उतना बस मेरे को मिल जाए और मैं खुश रहूँ अपने रिजल्ट के दिन।
Right.
So I used to stand only, and second is I never let the I never had let the results or any of the recognition or the rank to get into my head. I mean, I thought that this is just a part of life. This is not everything. Like अभी मुझे 2 मिल गया तो मुझे सब कुछ नहीं मिला, अभी भी मेरा जॉब बचा है, जॉब के बाद अगेन कुछ और होगा, उसके बाद कुछ और होगा। सो इट इज एन ऑनगोइंग जर्नी, इट इज नॉट एवरीथिंग कि मुझे सब मिल गया नाउ आई एम टेकिंग इट टू माई हेड एंड मुझ में ईगो आ रहा है, एटीट्यूड आ रहा है। आई एम नॉट अ पर्सन लाइक दैट। आई थिंक मेरी मॉम डैड ने बहुत अच्छे से मुझे have brought me, have given a lot of good upbringing to me कि मुझे कभी ये एटीट्यूड ईगो ये सब समझ ही नहीं आता था। As in, I remember इंटर के रैंक के बाद भी a person had asked me that, and that was the first time I had thought of it in that manner कि ओ अच्छा, रैंक के बाद ऐसे
ऐसा
ईगो
भी
भी
होता
आते
है।
हैं। या ऑफ कोर्स अभी मैं सबको रिप्लाई नहीं कर पाती हूँ, मतलब बिकॉज
Right.
इट्स लाइक इंस्टा लिंक्डइन इज फ्लडेड, बट आई ट्राई टू रीच आउट टू पीपल जब भी मुझे टाइम मिलता है कि मैं उनको एक बार जो भी मैसेजेस है रिप्लाई एक बार कर दूं, जिसको भी क्या जो भी क्वेश्चन है उनके। बट या आई लव इंटरेक्टिंग विद पीपल, मैं रैंडम लोगों से भी बात कर लेती हूँ, मुझे बहुत मजा आता है। आई
Right. Right.
रिमेम्बर आई ऑल्सो कि मैं एयरपोर्ट में
Bombay
हर
airport. Right.
yeah, whenever I go to an airport, I try networking with one person there and get his or her email ID and understand which company he or she works in. I think this is how I navigate through it. बट आई मतलब द मेन पार्ट इज कि मैं कभी अपने आप को इतना ऊपर समझती नहीं हूँ कि ठीक है अभी वन मोर थिंग विच इज सो फनी दैट अभी ठीक है अभी आई हैव गॉट अ रैंक, अभी 3 मंथ्स बाद नया रैंक टॉपर्स आ जाएंगे,
Right.
तो इट्स वेरी टेम्पररी। your personality stays with you. If you are good to someone, they remember you for that rather than the rank.
Right, definitely. I also believe the same. एक, I think you told a very important point कि जब you pray, used to pray, everyone prays, right? आपने भगवान से कुछ मांगा नहीं कि हे भगवान मेरे को ये दे दो वो दे दो. You just say thank you and lay the best person wins kind of thing, right?
Yeah,
So I
yeah.
always say peak of materialism is the beginning of spiritualism, but yes, you have not reached
Mhm.
your peak of materialism as of now. You have to reach
Mhm.
more. So एक kind of last question है निष्ठा, right? So how do you see 20 years from now, right? क्या आप जर्नी डिफाइन करना चाहते हो? कुछ प्लान है?
No, 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 nothing. I think nothing goes as per your plan. Uh, थोड़े मैक्रो गोल्स है कि ओके दिस इज कि मुझे ये चाहिए, मे बी 10-15 years पता नहीं, बट दिस इज समथिंग विच आई वांट टू हैव एंड टू डू समथिंग ऑफ माय ओन, एज इन नॉट be in jobs, मतलब अभी तो right now I want to start with a good company only, but down the line I think I want to do something of my own where I am happy. I want to make a difference. I feel very emotional and empathetic when I see people who are, who are not in such who how should I frame it? Like for example, whenever I'm traveling, I see people on the road or sleeping on the bus stand or anything. I feel very emotional
Privileged.
and empathetic, and I feel very grateful also that okay, I have a lot of things which other people don't
Right.
have, and if I could make a difference to their lives, so I want to work towards that only.
So definitely that's a very good cause, and I believe if there is anything you can definitely tell me as well. I am also very much motivated to इसमें एक इम्पैक्ट जितना हम लोग ला सके, राइट? सो यस,
Yeah.
सेम मेरा भी है कि आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल टू व्हाट लाइफ आई हैव गॉट, राइट, व्हेन आई सी पीपल अराउंड मी, राइट? सो निष्ठा, एक लास्ट गोइंग फॉरवर्ड एक क्वेश्चन है कि सी सबका एक लाइफ का आई थिंक फिलोसॉफी होता है या पर्पस होता है, राइट? सो आई थिंक a lot of juniors will be listening to you now who are going for September attempt or who could not clear fortunately or unfortunately the May attempt. So what is one philosophy that you want to pass on to the next
I
one?
think philosophy nahi hai, it's all about mindset. You have to always remember why you started this course, and what that will only let you go through the 3 months or 5 months study leave. You should always remember why you started this. And I had this quote in my as my lock screen, जिसमें whenever I used to feel demotivated मैं देखती थी, and उसमें ऐसा लिखा था कि you have not come, no sorry, उसमें ऐसा लिखा था कि यू आर सो क्लोज टू द विक्ट्री, डोंट यू डेयर गिव अप नाउ. एंड एक और जो अभी मैं इससे पहले बोल रही थी कि यू हैव डन एवरीथिंग यू कुड. सो आई थिंक दिस वाज समथिंग विच मेड मी गोइंग, एंड मैं वापस स्टडीज में वापस जाऊँ. देयर वर अ लॉट ऑफ बैड डेज ऑल्सो, जब मैं मॉक्स में अच्छा नहीं कर रही हूँ, जब मुझे कुछ याद नहीं आ रहा है. बट आई वॉज वेरी ग्रेटफुल. आई हैड वेरी गुड सीनियर्स जिससे मैं बात करती थी, एंड दे वर लाइक व्हाट, दिस इज नॉर्मल, सबके साथ होता है. सो वो वापस से आप वापस यू कम बैक टू स्टडीज. एंड आई थिंक यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड कि दिस इज द कोर्स, इट विल नॉट चेंज, चाहे आपको अच्छा लगे चाहे आपको नहीं लगे. सो इफ यू वांट टू अचीव योर गोल, यू हैव टू स्टडी दिस ओनली. सो देयर इज नो पॉइंट क्रिबिंग और क्राइंग कि अच्छा दिस इज नॉट डन, ये क्या पढ़ रहे हैं, क्या है. यू हैव टू डू दैट ओनली, एवरीवन हैज डन दैट ओनली. सो आई थिंक वो एक चीज याद रखना कि ठीक है, इट्स जस्ट अबाउट 3-5 months, एंड उसके बाद लाइफ इज कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट ऑन दिस साइड.
राइट, राइट. सो डेफिनेटली आई थिंक एक मेरे को भी पर्सनली बहुत अच्छा इंसाइट्स मिला, एंड आई थिंक टू whoever who watch this podcast going forward, I think they will get to know a lot about you. So thank you guys, this was the end. Also you can reach out to Nishta, but yes, she is quite busy, so please respect that. ऐसा नहीं है कि वो रिप्लाई नहीं करती. आई थिंक एक टाइम पे मेरे भी लिंक्डइन पे आफ्टर हायरिंग रिजल्ट्स के बाद पर्टिकुलरली वी गेट बिजी. तो this is the thing. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, Kaushik, for having me.
Thank you.